All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fun little one. We're gonna show you how to mount some new Method wheels, but we're also gonna put a twist on it. So Method just came out with these brand new 709 HDs. They're pretty cool. I'll tell you some of the features, but the big thing is they're 25% stronger. That means you can go 25% harder. It's basically what I'm getting at. But today we're gonna show you the whole process of mounting them. I got Bryson here. He's the fastest tire mounter changer in our shop. So we're gonna go head to head. I don't know, Bryson probably mounts 500. How many tires do you think you mount a year?
A year? Oh, probably a few hundred at least.
Yeah, probably 500 tires a year. I mount 0. Very rarely I get behind the tire machine. Luckily we have new machines that make it way easier. Quick plug to coats. But today we're gonna walk you through the process of removing the tires from here, dismounting my existing tires and wheels. I might have just broke the sensor. Remounting these wheels, painting our impact ring, installing our impact ring, balancing our tires, and lastly, reinstalling and then sending it. Let's do this. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is grab your forged impact ring, jump into the bead blaster, give it a little bead blast to get it roughened up. Then you're gonna run out, hit our paint station. We'll throw some primer on. While the primer's drying, come in here, dismount your wheel and tire. Come here, dismount your tire from your wheel. Then you're gonna grab your new 709 wheel. Begin installing it on our Toyo tire. At that point, you're gonna run back out, hit another coat of paint. Well, then you'll come back in here, finish mounting, grab your ring, mount your ring on here so she looks all nice and pretty. At that point, you're gonna jump over here to your coat's tire balancer, balance your tire. Then, finally, install it back onto the truck. And that's when you'll finish your timer. One thing's first, we only have one tire machine, we only have one tire balancer, so we're gonna do a timer-based system, but we're gonna make it a little bit of fun so you guys get to enjoy it.
I don't know,
You're giving me pointers,
tips,
bro. Yeah, no, we'll have some fun with that. But all right, we just had a quick discussion. He gave me a few pointers. Now he's regretting he gave them to me. But all right, let's just get this started. We're gonna let Bryson go first. Hit the timer and then go, bro. You gotta give it to yourself.
Ready? 3, 2,
go.
Oh no.
We're counting. I'm just gonna sit here and pick at him the whole time, dude. This is one of the hardest things to do. I've removed 2 of these so far, and this is not easy.
Jesus Christ. What the heck?
Yeah, I told you, bro.
Dude,
man, we're already almost at, we're at 30 seconds.
I know, I'm about to just sandblast it off.
I think that'd make it worse.
Yeah, probably. Whew, okay. Just gonna use my shirt for the sake of time.
Oh man, you didn't let the air out soon enough.
Huh?
So I don't know, did you let the air out soon enough? You still got a lot to bleed off.
Yeah. No, this is one of the roadblocks.
6 minutes and 52 seconds, bro.
Already? I've never done this fast. I tried to be fast with it.
I like him racing. This shows him how slow he is, bro. When I beat him, bro, it's gonna show that he's gonna have to step it up around here mounting trophy truck tires. Oh,
see? Takes a little bit of massaging, I told you. It's weird with the GoPro.
Oh, scratching my wheels, bro. The pressure.
Now here's the part that I'm like, I'm used to bead locks. Oh, I gotta do the other side. I don't do, I know, but we do bead locked wheels. They're so much easier.
So many excuses, bro. So many excuses. I'm gonna do as soon as I say go. There's like 20 guys gonna come and help me do this.
People from like Big O tires down.
Yeah.
Yeah, less Schwabs. Don't worry, I kidded them all out.
Gently. There's no gently about that. Glad he's not watching this. This is a little hack when you don't got two people to lift up on it. Damn it. Never mind. So you gotta dig deep. No. Am I doing the new wheel?
We're right at 13 minutes and he's got the wheel dismounted. Let's note that, 13 minutes.
I had to paint too.
Safety.
Yeah, exactly.
Safety first. I don't believe in that. As a boss, you don't have to use safety.
All right. Got the fancy schmancy tire lube. The dirty brush, whoever used it last didn't clean the brush. That irks me a little. It's in a bad spot.
Oh yeah, she's ripping. Bryson really committed to the wheel spin, bro. I would have lifted it out when the thing started whipping around.
Oh man. Nice. That's the hardest part right there.
Oh, damn.
The wind picks up right when I start. All right. Stop the timer. You want one?
No, I'm good.
Come on, dude. Suit yourself. Crack goes
You're on the clock.
Whatever, bro. Party pooper. God damn.
Yeah, just got it.
Can't forget the bev. Oh shoot, I forgot we're racing. Start the timer! We're good. So I guess, just throw it right on there like that. I've only used this a few times. Let's have balance. Double zeros, baby.
51 minutes, Bryson. You're approaching an hour.
Dude, that timer's wrong. Magic to make that. Man, what the? God damn it!
What do you need help with?
No,
There you go. There he goes, bro. He doesn't even need help. He just needs motivation.
Grab the timer, dude.
well, I gotta hit it.
Hit the timer.
feel like 53 minutes isn't the accurate. I felt like I was way faster than that, you know, but we were counting the time of hating and everything and setting up the tire machine.
Bro.
You know what I'm gonna do though? So he has to do it all himself. There you go. It's only fair.
This guy, dude, someone's a little spiteful. Someone knows I'm gonna smoke his ass. All right, here goes nothing. Go. I got a different approach than Bryson. First thing I'm gonna do. Okay. Now we're going back to this. This accessory roof. Oh. Okay, run outside. So one of the cool features about these new wheels are this accessory ring. It's forged, so it adds protectance if you rub guards, smack into rocks, curbs, like a lot of people, I won't say who. But then it also allows you to customize pretty darn easily, similar to a bead lock, but gives you that street legal ability, because bead locks are illegal in most states.
Why is that?
Bead locks are illegal typically because, I think the number one, I'm not a law maker, but if you don't maintain them right, and these bolts all, on a bead lock, what's holding your wheel together are a bunch of bolts. And typically people aren't good at maintenance.
Oh, so they just blow off.
So they'll mount them wrong, and then they won't check them. You're supposed to check bead locks regularly. We only race on them once, and then we check them. So then people won't do it. Then they're driving down the freeway and goes, kaboom! This is where we're making up some time. See, Bryson talked about that he was gonna do this, and then he didn't. So, I might have just broke the sensor. My bad. This is where, a lot more gentle, they're my wheels. This is something Bryson definitely has. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh.
Oh, that was smooth, bro.
All right, that's one part of it. Next part where it gets a little tougher. I don't think Bryson did this in his, but it just broke. We're not gonna show that. She's stuck. Oh. Never mind. I don't mean to brag, but take notes. I don't remember where Bryson was at this point, but I feel like I'm smoking him. Oh, I guess, yeah, you're supposed to use this thing, I think, huh? Oh, way easier. I think this is where Christopher probably struggles. I think we need more lube. Yeah, we're just getting it. Is this how you do it? Nope. I'm gonna try rolling it on. Alright, moment through. Dude. Yeah, baby. Come on, girl. Yeah. This is where I went for a different approach. Bryson went to use a different inflator. I went with a little bit slower but less work. Important part, Method race wheels, tire cap. Looks good, functional. Okay, now let's go hit another coat of primer. Fun fact, I am a terrible spray painter. Okay, now, Bryson stopped the timer here to rest. I'm motivated. We're gonna get our ring ready. Clean up all our lube first. So I may have overlubed. Shoot, day. Falling apart, dude. I got 2. Okay. We're right where I wanted to be. Now we wait a few minutes, let the paint dry. I'm gonna go maybe get a little tan on. Then we come back and smoke Bryson's ass. UV rating's pretty high today, but Bryson, start the timer! All right, now it's time to do a little color matching. Let's see. Bryson, timer! Bryson, start the timer! Alright, we gotta hurry this up. Paint's gotta dry faster. We're almost out of Pepsis. Let's do it. We're back in the race. Holy, I slipped. I really need to buy new shoes. Okay. Now let's talk about a few things that's pretty cool about this wheel. Heavy duty. That means 25% more load rating on these, which is pretty good considering I'm really good at overloading things. It's one of my new favorite things. Another cool feature, bead grip technology. This gives you similar things to running a bead lock where you can run lower pressure for when you're off-roading and stuff, but it doesn't create the pressure of, you know, running a legal setup. Another pretty amazing feature about this thing is its race kind of proven, taken after construction. This is very, very similar to my trophy truck wheel. They took a lot of the technology we learned from that, put it into this, making it not only look really good, but perform extremely well. And to prove how well it works, Method backs it up with a lifetime structural warranty and a 5-year finish warranty. So that means they really believe in it. Uh-oh. We're missing one bolt. Oh, here she is. Okay. Man, this thing does look good though with these. If I must say so myself, especially my my paint job's definitely better. Turn this puppy on since Bryson turned it off as a disadvantage. Oh. Luckily, for someone who doesn't do this much, this thing is very easy to use. Okay, let's see what it said. Hit me up for all your balancing needs. Take it, bro. I just beat the best. The thing looks good. Like, really good. Not that I ever doubted it, but man, that thing does look really good, actually. It's tiring, man. Now we only got to do a few more. But I guess that's a wrap. New Method race wheels, 709 HD, heavy duty, bead grip technology, lifetime warranty structurally, 5 years, finish. I mean, where else are you gonna get that? Hopefully you guys like this, a little bit of fun, a little bit of educational, and show you guys, you know, some Method race wheels, some of our Coach products we use very regularly. But yeah, that's a wrap.